Dear students, in this lecture, let us see some numerical problems on mathematical expectation. Let us recall the important results from previous lecture. Let x be a discrete random variable defined on finite sample space. That is, the probability distribution of x is x takes n values x1, x2, xn with probabilities p1, p2, pn such that summation of pi equal to 1. Then mean of x is given by mu1 dash is equal to expectation of x is equal to summation of pi into xi. Now note that if gx is 1-to-1 function of x, then expectation of gx is equal to summation of pi into gxi. For example, mu2 dash is equal to expectation of x square equal to summation of pi into xi square. So here we assume this xi square is 1-to-1 function of x for these values of x. Now then variance of x is given by variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x bracket square. In terms of moments, it becomes mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Note that if x is a discrete random variable defined on finite sample space, and if a not equal to 0, b and c are constants, then so you remember these theorems on expectation. Expectation of a constant is same constant. Expectation of x plus b is equal to expectation of x plus b. Expectation of a into x is equal to a into expectation of x. Expectation of a into x plus b is equal to a into expectation of x plus b. And finally, expectation of x minus b divided by a is equal to expectation of x divided by a minus b divided by a. And the theorems on variance. Variance of a constant is always 0, that is variance of c equal to 0. Variance of x plus b is equal to variance of x. Variance of x is equal to a square variance of x, and variance of x plus b is equal to a square variance of x. Example number 1, a random variable x has the probability distribution. X takes 3 values -2, 1, 4 with probabilities 1/6, 1/2, 1/3 respectively. Compute mean and variance. Solution: given random variable x has the probability distribution. So in terms of theory, so x takes values x1 is equal to -2, p1 is equal to 1/6, x2 is equal to 1, p2 is equal to 1/2, x3 is equal to 4, p3 is equal to 1/3 such that sum of these probabilities 1. Now consider mean equal to mu1 dash is equal to expectation of x, and that is equal to summation of pi into xi. So in terms of given values, equal to p1 into x1 plus p2 into x2 plus p3 into x3, that is equal to 1/6 into -2 plus half into 1 plus 1/3 into 4, whose simplification is 3/2, that is 1.5. Now consider mu2 dash is equal to expectation of x square, that is equal to summation of pi into xi square, that is equal to p1 into x1 square plus p2 into x2 square plus p3 into x3 square, that is equal to p1 is 1/6 into x1 is -2 and its square plus half into 1 square plus 1/3 into 4 square, whose simplification is 39 divided by 6, that is 6.5. And variance is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So equal to mu2 dash is 6.5 minus mu1 dash is 1.5 and its square. 6.5 minus 2.25, that is 4.25. So therefore mean of this distribution is 1.5 and variance is 4.25. Example number 2, random variable x has the probability distribution. When here x takes 3 values minus 3, 6, 9, and the same probability is 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Compute expectation of x square, and evaluate expectation of 2x plus 1 bracket square. As explained in example 1, so these are the various values of x: minus 3, 6, 9. Probability is 1 by 6, half, 1 by 3, 1. Similar to example 1, expectation of x is, so using the same procedure, it is 11 divided by 2, and expectation of x square is 93 divided by 2. Now consider expectation of 2x plus 1 bracket square, so which is equal to, let us square this bracket, uh, let us write the expansion of this bracket, that is equal to expectation of 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So let us use the theorem on expectation. Expectation of x plus by plus c equal to a into expectation of x plus b into expectation of x plus 1 c. So using that, it will become 4 into expectation of x square plus 4 into expectation of x plus 1. By substituting the values, it becomes 4 into 93 by 2 plus 4 into 11 by 2 plus 1, whose simplification is equal to 209. So therefore, expectation of 2x plus 1 bracket square is 209. Example number 3. Random variable x has the PMF. Pxi is equal to xi plus 1 divided by 10, or xi is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 0 otherwise. Compute expectation of x square plus 2 for solution. From given PMF, we obtain probability distribution of x as follows. When xi is equal to 0, P0 equal to, so let us put xi is equal to 0 in this equation, that will be 0 plus 1 divided by 10 equal to 1 by 10. Similarly, when xi is equal to 1, P1 is equal to, again put xi is equal to 1 here, so which is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 10, that is 2 by 10. Similarly, when xi is equal to 3, P3 is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 10, it is 4 by 10. And therefore, the probability distribution of x becomes x is equal to x takes value 0, 1, 2, and 3, with probabilities 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, such that sum of these probabilities 1. And consider here, expectation of x square is equal to summation of pi into xi square, that is equal to p1 into x1 square plus p2 into x2 square plus p3 into x3 square plus p4 into x4 square. That is equal to, by substituting the values here, it becomes 1 by 10 into 0 square plus 2 by 10 into 1 square plus 3 by 10 into 2 square plus 4 by 10 into 3 square, and whose simplification is 50 divided by 10, that is equal to 5. Now consider expectation of x square plus 2. Using the theorem on expectation, this is equal to expectation of x square plus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So the same problem can be obtained using the probability distribution of a function of random variable. For given values 0, 1, 2, and 3 of x, y is equal to x square plus 2 is 1-to-1 function of x. So we obtain probability distribution of y as, when x takes 0, y takes 0 square plus 2, that is equal to 2, and probability of y equal to 2 is equal to probability of x is equal to 0. So similarly, when x takes 3, y is equal to 3 square plus 2, that is equal to 11, and probability of y equal to 11 equal to probability of x is equal to 3. So the other values can be obtained around the same way. Therefore, the probability distribution of y becomes, so y takes 4 values, 2, 3, 6, 11, with probabilities 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 respectively, such that sum is 1, and therefore expectation of y is equal to summation of pi into yi. So which is equal to 1 by 10 into 2 plus 2 by 10 into 3 plus 3 by 10 into 6 plus 4 by 10 into 11, whose simplification is 70 divided by 10, that is equal to 7. So that means expectation of x square plus 2 is equal to 7. Here it is also the same, expectation of y is equal to 7. That means we can solve the problem by two different ways. Example number 4. A player tosses 3 pair coins. He wins rupees 800 for 3 heads, rupees 300 for 2 heads, rupees 100 for 1 head. Otherwise, he loses rupees 1600. Find expected gain of that player. For solution, in tossing 3 coins, there are 8 possible results. Let x denote number of heads obtained when 3 coins are tossed. Here, random variable x takes 4 values 0, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, the probability distribution of x becomes as follows. X takes 4 values 0, 1, 2, 3 with probabilities 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8 such that the sum of these probabilities is 1. Let y denotes gain of a player. Given that player wins rupees 800 for 3 heads, rupees 300 for 2 heads, rupees 100 for 1 head, and he loses rupees 1600 for 0 heads. As y is a 1-to-1 function of x, the probability distribution of y becomes, with probability of y is equal to yi equal to probability that x is equal to xi. Therefore, y will take these 4 values. Y is equal to minus 1600, 100, 300, 800 with probabilities 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8 sum, such that the sum is 1. And therefore, the expected gain of a player equal to expectation of y equal to summation of summation of pi into yi equal to 1 by 8 into minus 1600 plus 3 by 8 into 100 plus 3 by 8 into 300 plus 1 by 8 into 100, whose simplification is rupees 50. So therefore, the expected gain of that player is rupees 50. Next example, an urn contains 3 black and 2 white balls. A player is to draw 2 balls at random without replacement. He gets rupees 25 for each black ball he draws and rupees 20 for each white one. Find his expectation. Solution. As a player draw 2 balls at random without replacement from an urn containing 3 black and 2 white balls, he can draw. So that means his possible results are 2 black and 0 white ball, 1 black and 1 white ball, 0 black and 2 white balls with respective probabilities. So here using multiplication theorem, 3 by 5 into 2 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 10. Similarly, for second possibility, the probability is 6 by 10, and for third possibility, the probability is 1 by 10. So these are the probabilities, 3 probabilities for these 3 possible results, possibilities. And for these possible results, they are given that. So if we write x as gain of a player, and as he gets rupees 25 for each black ball he draws and rupees 20 for each white one, for above possibilities, for these 3 possibilities, he will get rupees 2 into 25 equal to 50, 25 plus 20 is equal to 45, and 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 respectively. Therefore, the probability distribution of x becomes, x takes 3 values 50, 45, 40 with probabilities 3 by 10, 6 by 10, and 1 by 10 such that the sum of these probability is 1, and therefore the expectation of a player equal to expectation of x is equal to summation of pi into xi, the probability into the value of x. So 3 by 10 into 50 plus 6 by 10 into 45 plus 1 by 10 into 40, whose simplification is equal to 46 rupees. So the expected gain of a player expectation of x is equal to 46 rupees. Example number 6. The mean and variance of a random variable x are 2 and 5 respectively. Find mean and variance of 3x plus 2. Solution. Given mean equal to expectation of x is equal to 2 and variance equal to 5. Let y equal to 3x plus 2. Then mean of y equal to expectation of y equal to expectation of 3x plus 2 equal to 3 into expectation of x plus 2. 3 into 2 plus 2 equal to 8. And variance of y equal to variance of 3x plus 2, that is equal to 3 square variance of x equal to 9 into 5, that is equal to 45. Next example, the mean and variance of a random variable x are 60 and 25 respectively. Find mean and variance of x minus 60 divided by pi. Given mean expectation of x is equal to 60 and variance of x is equal to 25. Let y is equal to x minus 60 divided by pi. Then mean of y, that is equal to expectation of y equal to expectation of x minus 60 divided by pi, that is expectation of x by pi minus 60 by pi, that is equal to expectation of x divided by pi minus 60 by pi, that is equal to 60 divided by pi minus 60 divided by pi equal to 0. And variance of y equal to variance of x minus 60 divided by pi, that is equal to variance of x by pi minus 60 by pi equal to 1 divided by pi square variance of x plus 0, that is variance of x is 25 divided by 25 equal to 1. So therefore this y is equal to 6, x minus 60 divided by pi has mean 0 and variance 1. So these are some problems for practice. A random variable x has the probability distribution. X takes these 6 values with probabilities, these probabilities. Find expectation of x and variance of x. So as usual, these are x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x6 with probabilities p1, p2, p6. So you obtain expectation of x, that is equal to summation of pi into xi, and you will get final simplification 0.8. Similarly, expectation of x square equal to 2.8 and variance of x is equal to 2.16. So you can verify these results with this data. Next example is random variable x has the PMF. Pxi is equal to mod of xi plus 1 bracket square divided by 9 for xi is equal to minus 101 equal to 0 otherwise. So here they have given probability mass function of x in terms of this modulus plus 1 bracket square divided by 9 for these three values minus 101. So you call this minus 1 as x1, 0 as x2 and 1 as x3. And from this you obtain the probability distribution of x and then compute expectation of x and expectation of x square. So obtain first probability distribution of x, and the answers are expectation of x is 0, expectation of x square is 8 by 9. So you may verify these two answers for this given EMF. And the last example is a random variable x has the probability distribution x is equal to 1, 4, 9. These are the square values. Pxi is equal to 0.2, 0.5, 0.3. So that sum is here 1 year. So prove that expectation of 1 by x is greater than 1 divided by expectation of x, and second one is expectation of root of x is less than root of expectation of x. So these two are the famous results from mathematical expectation. So in here is you compute expectation of x. So from this one, so that comes out to be 4.9. You compute expectation of x, that is equal to summation of pi into 1 by xi, that comes up to be 0.358, and you compute expectation of root of x equal to summation of pi into root of xi equal to, final answer is 2.1, and then verify these results. Okay. In the next lecture, we shall see another application of mathematical expectation known as probability generating function. Thank you. Thank you very much.